of the True Crafting Crew. Earlier today, we put together Sky's Easter basket along with Kai's and Bella's. So let me let y'all take a look at them. They're so cute. The 3 Easter baskets, the 3 Mohicans. Okay, so all I'm doing today is stuffing their Easter basket. So I thought that it would be cool for me to just come on here and put together Easter basket. Some people know how to do this, skip through it. But if you needed some tips on some cool things to put inside of an Easter basket or even just constructing one, I'm here for it. So the first thing that I like to do is to put paper at the bottom of it. And the reason I put this paper at the bottom is so that when we get the stuff in the Easter basket, it sits up. The stuff sits up, it's not like it falls down in there. So I'm gonna put paper in all of our Easter baskets, right? The next thing I'm gonna do is get grass. Put a little bit of grass in here. Put a little bit of grass in there. All right, what other color grass did I got? I got green grass. It's like a little bit of green. Let's put some yellow in here too. Let's switch up the colors. Let's make it a mixed effect on the Easter baskets. A little bit of green here. A little green there. And a little green here. So now that I got the grass in, the grass covers up that paper that is at the bottom. So we got our grass in. Make sure the paper is good and covered up. Yes, it is. All right, so now, oh, they have purple. No, we're not gonna use the purple. We're doing too much. I got a bunch of little toys. I got these from the Dollar Tree. They have these little balls. I'm not gonna open it, but basically you put the little ball inside of their mouth, inside their nose, and you squeeze it and it pop out. My baby loved these. This is $1 and she plays with it like it's $20. So we give everybody one of those bunnies with the balls. We got these Barbie tools. I think this is a stamp, if I'm not mistaken. No, it's just a little toy. My baby likes little toys. She likes small stuff. So the smaller the toy is, the better for my child. So we got one of those for everybody. We got some silly putty. We got candy. Silly putty for this child. We got trolls. They gonna love me, y'all. When they get these baskets, they gonna be like, we got candy, but we got all these great little toys. I'm telling you. Paint set. Of course, we couldn't go without our Easter bunnies. Put our Easter bunnies in, our chocolate bunnies. Uh-oh. Good thing it didn't break. How these baskets looking so far? I'm looking like a professional, huh, y'all? We got these bunnies, and these came 3 in the pack. I got all of this stuff, y'all. Remember, I got all of this stuff from the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree was my friend. I probably went in there and spent $70, $80, but look at all this cool stuff I got. I was able to put together 3 baskets and get some other stuff. So another piece of chocolate. Chocolate bunny. Y'all. Okay. What else we got? All right, so this is the tedious stuff. Let me show y'all the small, tedious things. Let me put these over here. I'm gonna show y'all how to stuff some eggs real quick. All right, so I got these eggs. In my gold, I got a bunch of different ones. I got golden ones. So in these golden eggs, I'm gonna put some dollar bills in them. They're gonna be so happy to get those dollar bills, y'all. But inside of these eggs, I'm gonna place candy, like a ring pop. I got a pack of ring pops. I have What else I got over here? I got the warheads. I got a pack of warheads, couple packs of warheads. I got these eggs. So I'm gonna open these up and put them inside of here. Look at this guy, her peeps. They don't give you many ring pops no more, huh? They used to. I thought the bag was gonna be full of ring pops. That thing had 5 ring pops in it, if that 4. These are gonna make our basket look really, really cute. These little bunnies. So I'll open these up and I'm gonna put our ring pop in them. Yeah. Oh shoot. I just knew my ring pop was gonna fit in here. I hope it does. Oh yeah, it does. Okay, cool. I'm like, so y'all see that? So that's gonna be cute for the ring pop. So I'll put a ring pop in there for each child. They don't need number 1 ring pop. But they only need 1 ring pop. I guess we should give them the bunny that matches their design. So this one got purple. This pink one, well, I guess it don't matter. Got the blue one because she got blue stuff. We got ring pops. Oh, we got these eggs. I got these. I thought these were really pretty eggs too. They're like a glitter. Y'all see those? Isn't these pretty? So we'll just pop them open. Oh man, it's like frosted. It is bubble gum. My baby likes bubble gum, so put 2 of them in there. I'll make a couple of those. She's gonna be happy to see this bubble gum, baby. Bubble gum, she's gonna be happy to see you. We making this Easter basket swiftly, huh? But I'm just giving you some ideas. Get whatever candy your child likes. My kids just like bubble gum and sour stuff, so that's why I got sour stuff and bubble gum. And you just put a couple little treats in each egg, just so they have something to open up, you know? You don't have to put like the whole bag. Like I could definitely fit more than 2 of these bunnies inside of this egg. But I only did 2 because you want it to look like it's full and you have a lot of stuff. I got these bunnies too. And you can just get different stuff. Like be creative. When children see Easter baskets and see things like this, they want to see variety. They don't want to just see the same thing. Even if they had the same candy inside of it or the same toy. They don't want to see the same toy all the time. But even if the same candy, they don't mind because the packaging looks different. The colors of the candy were different in the inside. So y'all see, I'm just making these little eggs. And what I'll do is I'll just put the eggs inside of our basket. Y'all see? Don't that look cute? And so when they see this, and then if you want to get a little stuffed animal, you can. And just put it in there. Y'all, isn't that cute? Y'all see this cute? Anyway, this is how you construct the Easter basket. And you get your candy and all that from whatever store you want. Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, the Dollar Tree like I did. You know, I capitalized on the Dollar Tree on this mission. I got everything from the Dollar Tree. I got the basket, I got the candy, the grass, everything was $1.25 a piece. But thank y'all for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe, and make sure you turn your notifications on so you can know when my next video drops. Bye, guys.